Nurse Paul, have you reviewed Mr. George's recent chest X-ray?
Yes, Dr. Mihira. There seems to be a slight opacity in the right lung.
That's concerning. Could you describe the opacity in more detail?
It appears to be a well-defined, round lesion.
A round lesion could indicate several possibilities, including pneumonia, a tumor, or a pulmonary nodule. We'll need to conduct further tests to determine the exact cause.
Should we order a CT scan or a chest ultrasound?
A CT scan would provide more detailed images and help us differentiate between the various possibilities. We can also consider a follow-up chest X-ray in a few weeks to monitor any changes.
Dr. Mihira, I'll schedule the CT scan and inform Mr. George about the need for further testing.
It's important to explain the situation to Mr. George and address any concerns he may have. We want to ensure his understanding and cooperation throughout the diagnostic process.
Now, Mihira, it's completely normal for children to have a few mild reactions after getting their vaccinations, and I want to explain what you might expect so you're prepared. You might notice that Emma develops a mild fever, perhaps feels a little soreness or redness right where she got the injection, or she might just be a bit more irritable or fussy than usual for a day or so. These are all signs that her body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, building protection against those serious diseases we talked about. If she does experience any of these, there are simple things you can do at home to help her feel more comfortable. For the fever or general discomfort, you can give her infant paracetamol, following the dosage instructions carefully. For any soreness at the injection site, a cool, damp cloth gently applied can often bring relief. And importantly, make sure she's getting plenty of fluids. Offering her more water or breast milk/formula will help keep her hydrated. These reactions usually pass quite quickly, within a day or two. We're here if you have any worries at all, but knowing these common side effects can help you manage them with confidence.